If you're tired of waiting forever for your oven to preheat, only to end up with unevenly cooked food, burnt edges, or fries that never quite get crispy, you're not alone. A lot of people want one appliance that can actually replace multiple kitchen gadgets without sacrificing performance. That's exactly why the Nuwave Bravo Pro Smart Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo has been getting so much attention lately. The Nuwave Bravo Pro is designed for busy families, home cooks, meal preppers, and anyone looking to get more cooking power from a single countertop appliance. Instead of filling your kitchen with separate devices for air frying, baking, toasting, reheating, and roasting, this unit combines everything into one compact solution. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. At first glance, the Bravo Pro looks modern, clean, and surprisingly premium for its category. The black finish gives it a sleek appearance that fits well into most kitchens without looking bulky or outdated. What stands out most is how substantial it feels. The construction doesn't feel flimsy, and the controls are straightforward enough for beginners while still offering plenty of customization for experienced cooks. The interior provides enough room for family meals, pizzas, and multi-rack cooking without dominating your entire countertop. One of the most practical design features is its ability to let you adjust the balance between the upper and lower heating elements. While that might sound technical, the real-world benefit is simple. You get more control over how food cooks. Whether you're trying to create a crispy pizza crust, evenly toasted bread, or perfectly roasted vegetables, the flexibility makes a noticeable difference. Performance is where the Bravo Pro really starts to justify its popularity. Nuwave claims faster cooking and crispier results thanks to its upgraded convection system. And in everyday use, those improvements are easy to appreciate. Foods that normally require frequent checking tend to cook more consistently, and the airflow helps create a more even finish across the surface of the food. French fries come out crispier, chicken develops better browning, and frozen foods cook more evenly than they often do in a traditional oven. Another thing you'll notice is how efficiently it fits into a daily routine. Instead of heating a full-size oven for smaller meals, you can use the Bravo Pro to save time and energy. It preheats quickly, reaches high temperatures efficiently, and handles everything from breakfast bagels to late-night pizza reheating. The wide temperature range also adds versatility, making it suitable for dehydrating fruit one day and roasting chicken the next. Noise levels are reasonable for a convection appliance. You'll hear the fan operating, especially at higher settings, but it's not disruptive or unusually loud. Most users will likely find it comparable to other premium air fryer ovens in this category. Cleanup is also fairly manageable. The removable accessories make maintenance easier, and because food tends to cook efficiently, excessive splatter is generally less of an issue than with some traditional cooking methods. Of course, there are a few drawbacks worth mentioning. While the customization options are a major strength, they can feel slightly overwhelming at first if you're used to simple one-button appliances. There's a small learning curve when experimenting with different heating ratios and fan settings. Additionally, while it's compact compared to a full oven, it still requires a decent amount of counter space. Compared with similarly priced air fryer toaster ovens from brands like Ninja and Cuisinart, the Bravo Pro stands out because of its advanced heating controls, strong airflow performance, and versatility. Some competitors may offer simpler interfaces, but few provide the same level of cooking customization. If you enjoy dialing in the best possible results for different foods, the Bravo Pro offers excellent value. Overall, the Nuwave Bravo Pro Smart Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo is a strong choice for people who want faster cooking, more consistent results, and the convenience of replacing several kitchen appliances with one capable machine. It's especially appealing for families, serious home cooks, and anyone looking to maximize countertop efficiency without compromising performance. If you found this review helpful, consider giving the video a like and subscribing for more honest product reviews. And if you're interested in saving time in the kitchen while getting crispier, more consistent results, check out the link in the description before availability or pricing changes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.